Being financially free means having enough money coming in passively to cover your daily expenses, allowing you to live life on your own terms. No more stressing over paychecks, no more working long hours just to make ends meet. If you've been watching this channel for a while, you already know that to achieve financial freedom, we must acquire assets. Assets that generate consistent income while protecting us from inflation and market downturns. But what kind of assets can actually make that possible? Today, we're breaking down 7 powerful assets that can help you quit your job and achieve true financial independence. Let's get started. Asset 1. Cash-flowing real estate. It's often said that real estate is one of the best ways to create wealth, and for good reason. Property values tend to rise over time. For example, in the early 1990s, the median home price in the U.S. was $97,000. Today, it's over $342,000. That's more than tripled in value. But here's what makes real estate special. You don't need to have the full price up front to own it. Let me show you how leverage works. Let's say you buy a $200,000 property with $40,000 down and finance the rest. Your monthly expenses, mortgage, taxes, insurance, come to $830 per month. But if you rent it out for $1,200 per month, you're left with a $370 monthly cash flow. That's $4,440 per year. Now, here's the game changer: equity and appreciation. Your tenant is essentially paying off your mortgage for you, while the property increases in value over time. And with strategies like cash-out refinancing, you can pull money out to buy even more properties. With the right properties in the right locations, real estate can create long-term passive income and financial stability. But that's just the beginning. Let's move on to the next asset. Asset 2. Dividend stocks. One of the easiest ways to start generating passive income is through dividend stocks. These are shares of profitable companies that distribute a portion of their earnings to shareholders in the form of dividends. For example, Apple has a dividend yield of 0.57%, while ExxonMobil offers 5.3%. But what does that actually mean? If a company has a 3% dividend yield, it means that for every $100 invested, you'll receive $3 per year in dividends. So, if you own a portfolio of $400,000 with an average yield of 3%, you'd make $1,000 per month in passive income. While dividend investing takes time to grow, reinvesting dividends can accelerate your wealth through compound interest. Over decades, this can become a powerful source of financial freedom. Asset 3. Cash-flowing businesses. Another way to create financial freedom is through business ownership, but not just any business. The key is to own the business but not operate it. For example, you can buy a franchise, start an online business, invest in automated cash-flowing businesses like ATMs or laundromats. The goal is to set up systems and hire people to run the business for you, so you're not trading time for money. This type of asset takes more effort up front, but the long-term payoff can be massive, giving you control over your income and significant tax benefits as a business owner. Asset 4. Gold. Gold has been a store of value for thousands of years. While it doesn't generate cash flow like real estate or stocks, it serves a different purpose: protection against inflation and market downturns. Billionaire investor Ray Dalio holds 7.5% of his portfolio in gold as part of his all-weather portfolio strategy. Why? Because when the dollar loses value, gold prices tend to rise, preserving your wealth. Asset 5. Bonds. Bonds aren't known for high returns, but they can be a defensive asset in your portfolio. Warren Buffett himself recommended a 90% stocks/10% bonds portfolio for long-term stability. By holding bonds, you have a safe asset to withdraw from during market crashes, allowing your stock investments time to recover. This is especially useful for retirees or anyone living off investments. Asset 6. Cryptocurrencies. In recent years, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have gained traction as digital assets with potential to act as a hedge against inflation. Unlike fiat currencies, which governments can print at will, Bitcoin has a fixed supply of 21 million coins. While crypto is highly volatile, many investors allocate a small percentage of their portfolios to it as a high-risk, high-reward asset. Asset 7. Startups and growth companies. Ever wish you invested in Amazon or Tesla early on? While we can't go back in time, new startups are launching every day with the potential to become the next big thing. However, investing in startups is risky and many fail. That's why experienced investors allocate only a small percentage of their wealth to high-growth opportunities. Financial freedom isn't just about making money. It's about owning assets that work for you. Whether it's real estate, stocks, businesses, or commodities, the key is to start investing in your education first. Which of these assets do you think is the best for financial freedom? Comment below and let me know. If you found this video valuable, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.